Hi, I'm John Golding. Welcome to Nissan Sunnyvale. I'm the owner loyalty manager and EV ambassador, and I'm going to show you how to use the ProPilot Assist on the 2018 Nissan Leaf. First, you turn it on right here on the steering wheel where you see it looks like a little blue sign. You see it also illuminate here on the steering wheel. Then you set your speed. I'm currently going at 70 miles an hour. There's the little beep, the cruise control is on, and the ProPilot Assist is functioning. As you see, I've got green lines where it will help you maintain control in the lanes, and you can see that the steering function is engaged by the symbols in the dash. Now, you have to keep your hands on the steering wheel. It keeps you in lane, and it also adjusts your wheel. You're meant to keep a light grip on the steering wheel. It is not hands-free driving. If you wish to make a lane change, you can, but turn on your signal, and it allows you to make the lane change at the same speed. Thank you for having fun with me and going with the test drive to see how to use the ProPilot Assist. Remember, be happy, and using ProPilot, it's a no-brainer. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at the number below.